Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve denied account on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve the denied account on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to CapCut as you see. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.